Just doing a kind of a follow-up video to my last video, which was about the filming of House of the Dragon Season 3 in Wales. A large part of the filming was done at this former slate quarry. When I was here the other day, the what I refer to as the base camp for the film crew was over here. There were two large marquees. The smallest of the marquee was at the far end over there. And as I was driving past, I could see there were a number of giant water tanks inside the marquee. These would have been taken up the quarry for the purpose of simulating rainfall. They may not have finished filming here yet. They might be coming back to do a little bit more filming. Just want to go up to the quarry and have a look at the spots where I noticed that they were filming the other day, just to see if there's any of the props still there. There's two signs here, one pointing towards the base and lock 1, which would mean location 1 presumably. So I guess the base must have been where the lorries were parked. Maybe the area that I was referring to as the base camp was maybe an area for all the extras to gather and some of the equipment. Public footpaths closed from 2nd to the 16th of June at Dinorwig Quarry. Apologies for any inconvenience. They haven't removed the sign, they've just put tape over the dates, which makes me think that the information I've received about them coming back here is probably correct. It's a steep walk up to the top of the quarry. Okay, I'm getting close to the spots where I spotted them filming the other day. Just up here. Okay, this is the spot. I'll show you some of the drone footage I took whilst they were filming at this spot. I'm not going to hang about, but we'll have a quick look. It might be hard to see if you're watching this on a mobile phone, but there were at least 8 horse boxes down there. So obviously they're filming a scene with horses. The camera seems to be on top of this rock, and I'd say that they were actually going to be filming here. I think this kind of scaffolding is what they would place the camera lights on, and then they'd attach it to a crane. This is not a prop, by the way, this has always been here. I've seen 3 security guards on the way up here, but there's nobody over here. And the whole area is still fenced off. So I'm going to get the drone up just in case there's any kind of set still up there. Okay, the drone's up here. The area that they were filming was just to the left here. You see this quarry building. They seem to be filming just behind the quarry building from what I could gather. I wonder if they used this old quarry building in the filming. There was another place where they filmed nearby. They built a set of a barn. It was built inside the shell of a quite a large building. They even had some straw there. They seemed to be dismantling it. I took the drone down to have a closer look. They'd taken much of it down already. I think this thing is actually like a ventilation thing. You can hear there's some machinery working inside it. because there's a hydroelectric power station here. It's built into the mountain. There's like these huge tunnels. It looks like something from a James Bond film. And it's the largest pump storage system in Europe. I was talking to two lads on the trail and I asked them if they'd spotted any props, and they had. So I'm just going to go and find that. The set that they're dismantling is just the other side of this wall. And these are the props that those lads saw. These look very realistic, but they're props. All three of these. They're so realistic I was scared to hurt my hand when I was about to knock the first one. There's something very cool over here which I'd be amazed if they haven't used in the filming. As you can see, it's off limits, strictly speaking, but somebody's made the doorway here. It'd be rude not to have a look. Okay, through here. Bear with me. Yeah, don't copy me by going there. It's okay when you're walking up to it, but when you're walking back it's quite dangerous. You could easily fall down there, especially if it's wet. I'll just check out one other place with the drone. It's the spot where I noticed the burnt wagons the other day. From a distance it looks like they've removed them, and I think they're going to be filming there again because the area is still fenced off with a security guard nearby. This is the area where the burnt carts were. I took the drone pretty low down this time. I wish I'd done that the first time. Unfortunately all the carts have been removed, but you can see the area where they were located by the different colour on the ground there. It's believed that they filmed a major battle scene in the Quarry, and there's also going to be a big naval battle apparently in season 3, or that's the speculation. And it's possible that some of those scenes will be filmed on the coast of Ynys-Môn. Okay, show's over. Hang about for the music at the end.
We sat on the roof. You said you'd try to explain. You told me all your secrets. said it would rain. And now I'm standing here without a clue, 'cause I thought I knew every single part of you. How does it hurt? Like tearing up a hole inside you. For what it's worth, yeah, I know what you're going through. What can I do? You have to get over it for something new to take its place. Let's make the most of it, me and you. We're gonna steer this boat to safe land. I'll do my best to